always bet on Duke. Oh, talk about rodents of unusual size.
Thank God nobody stepped on you. Listen, if you can find a way to raise this gate and get in here, our particle expander will get you back to full size. And, maybe you can give me a hand with these two girls. Jesus, the way they've been whining. Too much for a guy like me to handle alone.
Tiny and cute. I could carry you around in my pocket like a little pet. Your hot pocket.
Size only matters when you're full grown, baby.
Oh, Duke! They're gonna eat us! They don't stand a chance. Amazing, Duke.
Yeah, Duke, you totally beat their asses.
Oh my god. I was like so scared. Me too. I'm so glad you're okay.
All right, time for my reward.
Duke, help! Oh god, Duke, save us!
Not my babes, not in my town. You alien motherfuckers are gonna pay for this. next? Raining blood, baby. Good, bad, I'm the guy with the gun. Too easy. Squeal harder next time.
Remember, kids, I'm a professional. Don't try this at school.
Oh!
Come on, buddy, get on up here. What are you waiting for, Hanukkah? Use your own arm. I mean his arm. Never mind. What? You don't want to touch yourself? Get up here. Need to give yourself a hand? It's clobbering time. It's good to be the king. waiting in the lobby. The main room's blocked, but you can use the service hallway over there. Go on, Duke. Tango spotted!
One more confirmed!
Yeah!
Now we can cause some damage!
You don't say cause some damage around Duke Nukem, man. You say we're gonna go put some balls or tear shit up or something like that.
Oh, right, let's rupture some spleens together!
Why are you such a douche?
Heads up!
Watch out, watch out! Incoming!
Here they are!
Nasty.
Hey, over here!
Excellent work taking out the mothership and getting down here, Duke. I'm only sorry our EDF soldiers didn't make it. But I'll bear that burden and inform their families personally. Duke, the president was wrong. Dead wrong. I hope to God he wasn't deliberately misleading us. But we can't focus on his error now. Time is short. The aliens are pouring in by the dozen. They've taken the dam, Duke. The Hoover Dam. They've got technology that allows them to harness the generators to create some kind of wormhole in the sky. Now, Central Command has picked up alien fighters pouring in by the dozen on radar. The destruction of the mothership hadn't slowed them down one bit. However, we've got even more immediate problems. They're taking our women, Duke. I think you understand the implications here.
Screw the dam. Where are they taking our chicks?
It looks like the women are being taken to the Duke Dome. I don't think the choice of venues is a coincidence. For them, it's personal. We need to move in and decimate the alien force on all fronts. I've asked your old friend, Captain Dillon, to join us. He knows how you like to do things. I'm hoping all of the Earth Defense Force will learn from your example. Get to the Duke Dome as fast as you can. An advanced force is already on its way, but they're outmanned and outgunned. We need you, Duke. Now more than ever.
Duke, good to fucking see ya. I knew that retirement bullshit was just bullshit. Fuck that retirement shit. I just got back from helping my friend find his wife. Christ, what a fucking pussy. Graves wants me to help you jack these motherfuckers up, just like old fucking times. Can't wait to pound them in the cornhole. Hooah!
Dude, we've got your green power armor over here and ready to go.
Power armor is for pussies.
Well, okay. You want a gun instead?
Let's hurry the fuck up!
Pork chop sandwiches. Kill him. As easy as breathing. Big old swine.
Area clear. Anybody got a smoke?
Squeal, piggy, squeal.
Very clear, sir. I need to go update Graves on this shitstorm. You go on ahead and take Private Jenkins with you, since he's the only other poor motherfucker who's crazy enough to go with you.
Sir, yes, sir. It would be an honor to escort you, Mr. Duke Nukem. Sir, let's go.
Try not to let him get fucking killed, will you?
Watch out! Incoming!
Damn it, Leroy. It's ass-kicking time. There's more where that came from.
friend. Glad you could join the party. Hey, Duke, the street's blown all to hell. We'll probably need to head through that sewer over there to get to the Duke Dome. Holy shit, we got incoming! Grab on the ladder. It's time to tell
I wonder how many pork chops I can make out of you. Douche. I promise to kill you last. Right. I'm from Las Vegas, and I say kill them all.
area clear. Time to move out. Yep, all clear.
Right in the jewels.
Duke! Up here! Holy shit, what a fucking mess! The president is gonna fucking shit his pants when he sees this! I've gotta head out to the dam. You need to get to the fucking Duke Dome. You have to crawl through this wet stank hole to get there, though.
date with that hot little piece of ass from my church?
Yeah, and?
No good. Said we didn't click. Hell, that's all I wanted to do was click.
Well, maybe if you could click two brain cells together and stop talking about your damn sex life, you could figure us a way to get out of here without getting killed.
Just trying to pass the time, bro.